Hi guys, Green Star back with,
Bro,
and we have
Mighty Beanz.
Mighty Beanz. I don't know very much about this. Do you?
Nope, we just picked them up at Target.
Yeah, look at they have like there's a bean in there, and look you could tilt and they kind of bounce around like
It does
that.
remind me of the Wibbles Wobbles.
Yeah,
If you've heard of those.
Weebles.
Those are like an old Weebles Wobbles.
Weeble wobble and they don't fall down. There's a burst. Oh, they must pop or something. I don't even know what this thing does.
You
Unwrap,
push 'em.
slam, and burst.
We can unwrap them.
How many beans come in this? 3, 4, 5. There are like 6 beans in this thing.
I have no clue. We just picked it up. We were at Target.
It was
Getting
cheap.
a bunch of stuff.
All right, let's just peel here. There actually was a peel, so I didn't have to cut it. All right, you want me to just open it?
Yeah.
Okay,
This
that's.
looks confusing to me.
What does this say? It's a rabbit zapper. Zapped rabbit Mighty Bean. You want to see it? Okay. See it grow. Oh. So we're supposed to. Do you want to see it grow? Keep face away. This thing's gonna pop, I think.
Yeah, you're supposed to go like this.
Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, Okay, you do it.
Like this.
Back up just a bit. Okay, that's as far as I can go.
How are kids gonna do this?
Okay, whoop, let go. What's it gonna
Scared.
do?
It's like one of those balloons
I didn't know it
you
was
get from the
gonna do
dollar store for Valentine's Day.
All right.
Like the ones that you pop. Or
You hear it?
hit. Yes, I hear the air. I'm scared.
I don't want to touch
It'll
it.
do it.
How long is it gonna take?
It gets bigger. Yeah, I can hear that.
It's still going? Oh, it is. There it goes. This is actually kind of cool.
I think it's really cool.
Yeah, I didn't think it would be this cool. Like I thought it was gonna be kind of just junk that I was gonna open and be like not care, but I do kind of like. That's cool.
I like the concept of it.
What is one gonna go
scared.
flying?
I know, that's why I'm scared. They're so small to get hit. That scared me. Oh, yes, it is one of these balloons, like from the dollar store, that you just pop up and you get the balloon, and then they don't last too long, but
Medieval beans.
it's still going. Well, what's in this?
I mean,
It says do not cut, so I'm guessing there's some
let's not cut it. These are all okay. Let's see what we got. Look we have Cleopatra Mighty Bean.
We already have the rabbit.
What's this one? This one is King Mighty Bean.
Barfing Mighty Bean.
Ooh, is that what his name is?
Mm-hmm.
Maggot Mighty Bean.
Eagle Mighty
Does it say
Bean.
barfing? It does say barfing.
And Butcher
Like where? Okay, let's
Mighty
check.
Bean.
This one is boxing. Busted Boxer
Yeah,
Mighty
I
Bean.
think you can use this as a launcher.
Eagle?
I believe. Why were we reading it off of here? Because there's a
don't know.
checklist.
Butcher, weird. Like
Wow.
these are just weird.
Look.
I don't even get it. Oh my
How
god.
many you can collect?
Oh god. Oh yeah, start right here. Just go. Oh.
I like the balloon. Has something in it.
Look at them all. Frozen medieval beans.
Oh, you can even collect
Ugh, no.
you can even collect these. The balloons.
Is that thing gonna pop?
No.
That
It
thing
says
is
don't
kind of
cut,
cool.
so I don't know.
Let's not cut it.
But you can collect different ones.
So how do you there you
You're supposed to
do
I think
this,
that's all we
and then
do.
you. It
Oh,
doesn't stay though.
I think you have to cut
Oh, you put that back on to keep them.
so you
What's
put
this do?
maybe you can like
Eh,
I don't know. Wow.
This is weird.
And you just store them.
It's like loading up again.
Maybe you could launch it again.
There, that. Oh, see,
Is that all you do?
oh no, there's another bean over here. What's this one? That's the maggot bean. Is that it? There's missing 3 beans. It didn't fill them all up. What
It
the
did.
heck?
You put 2 in some of them, didn't you?
Yeah, I thought there would be a bean in every one, or 2 beans in every one.
Wait, so 2 2, 4, 6, 7. There's 8. It said it would come with 8.
Yeah. Well, where is it? Oh, okay. Put that to hold it down. I mean,
I liked it at first, but now, what do you do?
It's a thing. Oh, does this hold on? This goes on top, look. So let's see, there's a... Look at that goes there. This goes there. This goes there.
That was really cool.
And the king.
But what do we do with them?
Unless squeeze, it'll pop.
I don't know how you play with them, I guess. Just...
yeah, I don't know.
But it was fun while it lasted.
It was like 30 seconds of fun.
Yay.
All right, well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share.
Post notifications. And let's get to 1,000 subscribers.
Woohoo!
If you enjoyed this video, go check out the other ones.
And I will see you later.